Buckle Bite, which was introduced in CEREC Connect 3.65 and now is integrated into CEREC Chairside 3.8 and future versions, has been a great improvement and has allowed us to work the occlusion of our proposals in with the existing dentition of the opposing arch. Liquid Reference, which is from dentalcadproducts.com, is an aid to help us with the stitching. It gives us improved accuracy of our articulation and our occlusion, and it saves a lot of time. You will see on the left side that we have images that were taken without Buckle Bite. We have started the stitching process right now. Over on the right side, we are now going to start the process. These are images that were taken with Buckle Bite or Liquid Reference to aid in the stitching of the Buckle Bite. On the left, you will see that we will get our virtual models. Now on our right, we hit our green arrow and we will go to the virtual model stage also. We have to do manual correlation when we're doing our Buckle Bite. We have our virtual models over on the left side. You will see that the linguals of the mandibular arch have been proposed first. We have to rotate the model so then we can attempt to overlay the Buckle Bite images. The software has difficulty sometimes, one, because the images were not taken properly, or we have imaged the mucobuccal fold, and that is blocking the buccal surfaces of our mandibular teeth. On the right, you will see that the virtual models are there. If we grab the Buckle Bite images and grab the dot on the mandibular arch and put it over the dot of the single dot on the mandibular arch, it snaps right there. And then we bring the complex up to the maxillary arch and align the dots that are there, and it snaps quite easily. I usually do 2 dots on the maxillary arch and 1 dot on the mandibular arch. Very efficient, very quick. On the left side, you will see that we are continuing to attempt by manipulating the mandibular arch at different angles to try to get the Buckle Bite images to stitch. On the right, we have our virtual model. We can begin marginating, and we can go forward with our design process. The Liquid Reference increases the Z value on the buccal surface of the teeth, and I believe that's what helps with the stitching of the images. For individuals that have very deep bites, Liquid Reference is even more important. There are instances where you can put Liquid Reference on dried mucosa, and it will stay there during the imaging process and help one stitch those very difficult cases. You will see on the left now that we finally have the mandibular arch stitched with the Buckle Bite images. We will bring it up to the maxillary teeth, which tend to stitch easier. And now we have everything stitched. So this head-to-head comparison, there's no comparison. Arches with Liquid Reference win every time, and so do you. Time is of the essence. If we want to get in there, we want proposals, we want a mill. Liquid Reference from dentalcadproducts.com will help you get there.